flexible conduit, junction box, ceiling rose, batten holder, pendant holder, switch, socket outlet, lamp holder, miniature circuit breaker, residual current circuit breaker, distribution board, copper earthing wire, concrete earth housing, PVC insulation tape, wire connector lugs, terminal block, bus bar, earth rod, earth wire, twin end earth cable, ground rod clamps, coaxial cable, Cat6 Ethernet cable, data socket, cable clips, PVC trunking, heat shrink cable sleeve, single core cable, LED floodlight, cable tie, cable gland, RGB LED strip light, plastic expansion wall plug, PVC conduit fitting, light dimmer switch, smart plug, LED driver, motion sensor, power socket strip, AC isolator switch, DC isolator switch, fuse carrier, surge protector, electrical meter, ceiling fan, LED downlight, smoke detector, exhaust fan,